Divide using synthetic division, so solution. So the first step when you're using synthetic division is to take this number here and just flip the sign. So we have a -2, so it'll become a +2. And I like to put like a little symbol here to kind of isolate the two. The next thing you want to do is write down the coefficients of this piece here. So the first coefficient is 1. The next one is -3. And here's where it gets tricky. We're missing a power of x, so you actually have to add it in. So plus 0x, you have to have all of the powers of x. And if you don't have any, you have to fill them in. So the coefficient of x is actually going to be 0. And then we have the 4. Then you draw a line just like this. Okay, so recap. You flip the sign, put that number here, write down the coefficients, 1, -3, 0, 4. And the 0x wasn't there, and we put it there because we have to have all of the powers of x for this to work. So if you were missing like an x squared, you'd have plus 0x squared, etc. All right, let's start the process now. So the first thing you do with this number here, this 1, is you just bring it down. So 1. Then you start the process. 1 times 2 is 2, and then you add. -3 plus 2 is -1. Then you multiply again. -1 times 2 is -2. 0 plus -2 is -2. And then -2 times 2 is -4. And then you add and you get 0, and then you put this in like a little box like this. Let me go over that again because I did it really quick. So you bring down the 1, and then 1 times 2 is 2. And then you add and you get -1. -1 times 2 is -2. And you add and you get -2. -2 times 2 is -4. And you add and you get 0. This is your remainder. Okay, now we can write the final answer down. So the final answer will come from this. And so we look here. Here, the highest exponent is 3. It's called the degree of the polynomial. So the degree is 3. So we always start at 1 less. Okay, so it'll be 1 times x squared. That's the first number. Minus 1 times x minus 2. So you count down x squared, x to the 1, and then a number. So if this was like a 5 up here instead of a 3, if it was a 5, you would have a 4 down here instead of a 2. So it's just always 1 less. And then it's plus the remainder over, and then this piece here, the divisor. That's what that's called. So it's always in descending order, the powers, and you always start at 1 less. The last thing we can do is maybe get rid of these 1s. So this is x squared minus x minus 2. And then this whole thing is 0, so it doesn't really matter. So this would be the final answer. I hope this video has been helpful.